Your Kitchen on the Cook for Your Life YouTube channel. Okay, so I'm making one of my favorite special brunch dishes. It's actually good for an easy supper too, and it's very easy to get together. It's especially when we got good tomatoes in the summertime. This one does not want to come out. It is basically baked tomatoes with eggs. Now, oh, there we go, wrestling with that. All you have to do is core the tomato like I just did, and then put in a little bit of chopped garlic, and just drizzle a little bit of olive oil over it. Now, I'm just going to do this on the board because I'm going to show you something that I've just took out of the oven. So you don't need very much. Just drizzle a little bit over it there, and then you put the tomatoes into the oven at 400 until they get soft, which is about 20-25 minutes depending on the size and how ripe the tomatoes are. So let's move straight on to some that I already did. They really are gorgeous. Those have just come out of the oven, and you can see that they're not completely hard, they're soft, but they've got some firmness to them. Now into each one of these, and also by the way, I have cooked these in parchment paper, my favorite cleanup, because we're going to be putting eggs into them. Now, as you can see, the whites will go all over the this one. There we go. So now I'm just going to put a little bit of grated Parmesan on top. I like to grate mine straight on from the chunk. If you want, we're going to put a little bit of basil on this at the end. We're going to bake them until the eggs are set. So I've got some basil here. It's not very... It was in the fridge, and unfortunately it's not always the best place for basil to be, and it's got a little bit of frostbite. So I'm going to take off the best bits. Always with basil is to treat it relatively gently. So we're just going to be putting that on top of the eggs. Let's just check these and see how we're doing. Oh, no, they still need a little bit of a moment yet. But you can see just how fantastic they're looking. So this one needs a little bit more time, but another 5 minutes and they're ready. Okay, these are done. And the yolk's actually quite set. How gorgeous. Okay, now all I need to do is finish these with a little bit of basil, which, thanks to the lovely Annette, is coming this way. Okay, so literally there we go. That looks so gorgeous, and you can see that all the juice from the tomatoes and the eggs and the cheese is just a lovely dish, and it's perfect for a special brunch. It's a Mother's Day brunch, or just you want to give someone a treat. This is fabulous. Eggs baked in tomatoes. Voila.